I'm Laura. Today, I'd like to introduce a classic 6-drive off-road chassis. Dongfeng pointed EQ2100 off-road truck chassis is a large off-road vehicle widely used in engineering, rescue, and other fields. Its unique tip design, strong off-road performance, and reliable quality assurance make it perform well in various harsh environments. The appearance design of Dongfeng EQ2100 pointed off-road truck chassis is unique, with off-road tough shape and smooth lines. In terms of power, Dongfeng pointed truck adopts a powerful engine and an excellent transmission system, enabling it to maintain stable and reliable performance. Under various loads and road conditions, the tires are made of wear-resistant materials, which can ensure a long service life. In addition, the tires have excellent load-bearing capacity, which can support the vehicle in fully loaded conditions. In addition to the basic transportation function, Dongfeng pointed trucks can also be customized and modified according to users' needs. For example, it can be converted into fire trucks, engineering trucks, medical trucks, and other specialized vehicles to meet the needs of various industries. All in all, Dongfeng EQ2100 pointed off-road chassis is a good, practical, and durable model with wide application value and market prospect. For users who need a reliable and durable means of transportation, Dongfeng EQ2100 pointed off-road chassis is an option worth considering. Okay, if you are interested in us, please follow us. See you next time. Bye bye.